I'm really amazed by what this DF Pro color sorter.
In terms of quality, I don't think you get quality better than at ANYSORT.
My name is Steve Maina. In Kenya, we produce orthodox tea. We came to China to see the technologies for processing tea, and we are very impressed by what we have seen in the various cities and factories that we have visited. We have seen very good quality.
We realized as a business that we have been losing a lot of value in the grading of our tea because we are limited in the number of teas that we actually process. By using ANYSORT sorters, we are able to get up to 5 different grades of tea which have different prices. By not having a proper color sorter, such as the ones that are produced by ANYSORT, we have been losing money because grades have been mixed and specific grades have been lost in the process.
Through ANYSORT color sorter, you will see other impurities that the normal eye cannot see. I'm really amazed by what this Pro color sorter can do, and we would want to introduce it in Kenya because of its enhanced sorting capabilities. Besides that, we have seen other technologies that are there. The stone remover, there is an X-ray machine, which is good to consider. Right now, there are many industries that require raw material for tea drinks, and sorting must be enhanced to that level. And I would encourage anyone considering a tea sorter to consider the DF56 Pro. If you want more, you can get the X-ray and the stone remover. Thank you very much. The one I'll carry back home is happy partner, grow together. ANYSORT will help us to grow through very accurate sorting.